Well, the past 3 days we've had a group from the U.S. China Scitech Education Promotion Association. Wow. That we've interacted with for the past maybe 5 years. We had a 3-day workshop for 60 of their students that they brought over, and we designed and built small underwater vehicles.
There's a lot that comes out of they got to make something that was exactly the way they wanted to make it. That you give people choice, that you give people not only choice in how they achieve their goals, but in choice of what their goals are. In that you say, you know, do you want your ROV to be fast or stable? Do you want your ROV to be aesthetically pleasing or mechanically effective? That there's again, diversity of design and also diversity of priorities and what you find most important.
Their opinion mattered here. Okay, most of the time in education in school, the opinion of the students really is virtually irrelevant. In here, it really, we were helping them achieve what they cared to do, and we weren't the ones dictating what they had to do. That's a very different flavor. So if you're wondering why the students are drawn to this kind of stuff, how often do their opinions matter? And they get a chance to work on it.
Down and turn.
Right? Which means that you want to have the part that's going to float it here. And it's going to hang underneath that. Okay? Got it? So that's what you're trying to do right now, is understand the physics of the underwater vehicle. So as what's P1 and what's P2, that'll tell you how much the balloon is going to come up for you to make your contact. Well, in the first day, they learned about fabrication technique, learning curve, interchangeable parts, you know, the whole manufacturing kind of gig. Socially, they got experience in working in a team. It was really critical for them to work well in a team, both in the manufacturing part of this and in engineering design and fabrication of ROVs. It was all very team-based.
I think this is a really good example of how we do things here. And I think this is an example of the Edgerton philosophy of try something. Try something, build something, take something you don't think you can do and do it. I think this is a great example of engineering at its finest. You build the entire thing from scratch. I tell the kids at the end, we helped, but you built the entire thing. And, you know, this is not a pre-assembled kit of parts. This is a bunch of PVC pipe and motors and random LEDs and wires that the kids take from inception all the way to a working underwater robot they can take it home and show off to their friends and family.
Trying to capture that part of MIT, which is the mind, hand, and heart aspect of our education. Not just to have it be about the equations, the textbook, and the test. This is how you actually use the concepts to do something.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's close. It's close. It's close. All the way to the wall. Yep, a little further, a little further. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Oh, it's really close. Okay,
You can look back at this and say, I did it. That you can hold it up and hold it in your hand and look back at the video and say, I did it.